Good morning. Today topic is switch case in C. So what is switch case? Switch statement allow a variable to be tested to be tested against several several values. So what we are doing means we are giving some conditions. What the condition is matched to the same case, it will print. The remaining unmatched will be skipped. So what is the syntax of switch? See, this is the syntax of switch case. See, we need to give an expression here. That means this is the expression. See, here we need to define two types of variables. See, for your understanding, I'm telling. First one is user variables. Second one is switch variable. Everyone is forgetting this switch variable. Why? Because we cannot connect with this switch statement. See, I'm taking one thing. I want to go for addition, subtraction, and multiplication by using switch case. How I can write? Uh, Basically, I want to go for addition, subtraction means I can take a equal to 10, then b equal to 20. These two variables belongs to the user variable. Automatically, I need to save the same variable in C also. I can do the multiplication, subtraction, and whatever it is, what is the thing I need to go. I need to do the variables. What about the switch? Where we need to go for the switch means I need to take another variable also. That's why every time they are taking ch something. So then we can go for fixed or runtime, maybe enter your choice, maybe printf and scanf. We need to scan. The same thing I'm going to be implementing the turbo. Here, if the case is matched automatically, it will go to the one case. The remaining will be eliminated. The same scenario I'm implementing here. See, hash include stdio dot h. Second one is void main. This is the general thing. Then I need to take the variables int a comma b comma c. If you want to fix the value means a equal to 20 comma b equal to 10 comma c. These variable for the user defined addition subtraction. What about the remaining? So I am taking this as a int ch. This is for choice. Then I am printf. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. So this statement belongs to only ch only. Scanf double quotation percentage of d comma person of ch. Then you can start your switch. Switch is the keyword. Then you need to write the ch here. If you miss this logic means you cannot get an output. Then case one, case one. So case one means I am taking what I c equal to a plus b. Printf the sum is percentage of t double quotation comma c. We need to print here. Again, I am taking as a break. If I skip the break means automatically all the statement will execute. 2 c equal to a minus b. Same thing I need to do here. Printf the sub is percentage d rotation comma. Again, I'm writing the c value. Then I'm giving the break. Case 3. Case 3. C equal to a into b. Printf the multiplication value is percentage of d double quotation comma c, then break. Finally, default. If I give default means if your input is wrong means automatically the block will execute. Default block. Same thing. Printf your input is wrong. Automatically you need to write get ch and close the switch. Close the switch. Ch. Close the program and save the program. Yes, saved successfully. Then compile the program. Yes, there is no errors. Fine. Run the program. Yes, enter your choice. So if I give 1 means automatically it will go to the addition. See the sum is enter. If mean choice what we are reading the value choice 1, 2, 3. If I give choice 4, enter your choice 4. Your input is wrong. Check this condition clearly. See if your input, the choice variable belongs to switch and case 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 numbers are matched to the switch only. See, you need to understand, we need to define two types of variables. Then automatically you can execute. Finally, I can execute the third case. See, enter your choice. 3 means automatically multiplication need to be present here. So this is the way you need to understand this concept. So then automatically fit from this exit. So if you have any doubts, just please mention comment. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.